Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet is a compact carpet cleaner that has an upright design, but a relatively narrow cleaning path. It's more affordable than some of the other cleaners on our list, but it's ideal if you want to clean spot stains and occasionally want to tackle a larger area. It'll take some time for sure, but it can clean tough carpets and remove lots of pet stains and odors with ease. The main complaints from reviewers came down to the small size of the internal tanks. If you're trying to clean anything other than a small area, you're going to need to plan to refill and empty the internal tanks repeatedly. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner easily tackles pet messes and everyday stains while delivering 2x more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. Our new Power Spin Pet Brush Roll provides a powerful clean for high-traffic areas and small spaces. This easy-to-use pet carpet cleaner delivers a compact and lightweight design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plus, the PowerDash is designed with heat force power to deliver even faster drying for any space. Ideal for your pet carpet cleaning needs. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. Just like you, we love our pets, but eventually, every pet makes a mess. Whether it's tracked in mud or even accidents, Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro handles tough pet messes thanks to the exclusive Pet Pro cleanup system. The system includes CleanShot pre-treated to remove spots and stains, the 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool to remove pet hair, stains, and odors from upholstery, a trial size of Bissell Professional Pet Urine Eliminator plus Oxy, and an easy clean brush roll cover to make maintenance of the machine easy. Plus, Deep Clean Mode offers powerful cleaning to out-clean the leading rental, and carpets dry in about 30 minutes with Express Clean Mode. All of this cleaning power comes in a lightweight and maneuverable machine with a low-profile foot that gets under furniture. With the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, you have everything you need to take on tough pet messes. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. Surface type: low-pile carpet, stairs, upholstery, carpet, area rugs, pet beds. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Hoover SmartWash Plus FH52000. The Hoover SmartWash is similar to other upright carpet cleaners, but its design automatically mixes detergent based on how you're moving the cleaner. When you push it forward, it cleans. Pull it back, it'll suck up water to dry it. That's similar to how some other cleaners operate. But when it works, it makes the whole process simple as you like. We tested a previous version of this upright and we loved it. It does an exceptional job cleaning your carpet, and though it's loud and takes up a lot of closet space, it's a worthy addition to your cleaning routine, especially if you have messy kids or pets. The Hoover SmartWash Plus automatic carpet cleaner eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Wash carpet by simply pushing forward to clean and pulling back to dry. No multiple buttons. No solution measuring. No hassle. Just seriously simple and seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with Flex Force power brushes. Plus, Auto Mix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning, while Auto Dry powerfully extracts water with heat force for an even faster drying time. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green is a professional carpet cleaner with 2 massive internal tanks, a huge 9-foot attachment hose, and a legendary cleaning ability. There is probably no carpet cleaner with a bigger following than this one, with rave reviews from over 12,000 customers online. The reviews are really eye-opening, especially from people that tried other, less powerful carpet cleaners. Even making a second pass over previously cleaned areas, this cleaner picks up so much more debris, hair, dirt, and grime. One reviewer said it was one of the best purchases they'd ever made, and it's easy to see why. The Bissell Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine professional-grade carpet cleaner achieves a whole new level of clean with its powerful motors and extra large brush roll to pull out deep-down dirt. It's made of super durable, high-quality materials for sturdy, anti-tip design and features robust workmanship from top to bottom. The Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine out-cleans the leading rental carpet cleaner. Cleaning path width, 10. 5. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3. Not everyone needs a professional-grade carpet cleaner, but if you have a large home filled with wall-to-wall carpet, this can be a lifesaver. The Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3 has a die-hard following thanks to its remarkable cleaning ability. It's a true pro-grade cleaner with a large internal tank and one-pass cleaning system, so you don't have to spend twice as long sucking dirty water back up once it's clean. As you'd expect, a pro-grade cleaner comes with some drawbacks. It's bulky, heavy, and loud. It is surprisingly easy to operate, however, and those who have used this cleaner absolutely adore it. This one-pass cleaning system sprays, scrubs, and extracts embedded pet messes, dirt, grime, filth, and odors with commercial-grade results. Spray. The X3 carpet cleaner uses powerful jets that inject carpet cleaner solution deep into the carpet to shampoo and begin releasing dirt, grime, stains, odors, and more. Scrub. Triple action vibrating brush scrubs all sides of each carpet fiber, releasing dirt and odors that other steam cleaner machines can miss while targeting pet hair, pet urine, and mud tracked in from outside. Extract. Enhanced carpet extractor vacuum motor with pro-grade suction power removes pet stains and odors, gets the floor cleaner, and aids in faster drying times, making these ideal steam cleaners for home and commercial use. CRI Gold Rated was awarded a gold rating by the Carpet and Rug Institute for soil removal, water removal, and gentleness on the carpet. 2-year consumer warranty. Weighs 39 pounds. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.